Today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite vegan pasta recipe. Pasta ai ceci. It's incredibly delicious and it's easy to make. We're gonna start adding a good drizzle of olive oil and cooking onions and potatoes together. Then I'm gonna add the rosemary and sage. Give it a good stir all together. Make a little hole in the middle and a touch of tomato paste. Then straight in with the chickpeas. Give it a good stir all together and go in with a little bit of stock. Cover it and cook it for 10 minutes with the lid on. Just enough time to cook your pasta. If you can, use tubetti. This is a perfect shape for this pasta sauce. I'm gonna take half of the chickpeas and potato sauce and a few ladles of the pasta water. Blitz it all together to make a nice and creamy sauce. Transfer the pasta straight with the chickpeas and potatoes and then go over with a creamy sauce. Stir it all together until nice and creamy. To finish it off, I'm gonna add a little bit of the pasta water and a touch of fresh parsley. It doesn't need any butter, any cheese, any dairy, because it's so creamy and incredibly delicious as it is. Since we're not using cheese, I love to add pangrattato with sun-dried tomatoes on it. I love the chickpeas and potatoes with the rosemary and sage together. It's a great combination. You have to give it a try.